The show will begin momentarily. Everyone, please stay in your seats. Hello, unconventional conventionalists. It's your supreme bitch bad girl once again at Mechacon. And I did not announce this, but surprise, surprise, I have a new cosplay. It is Circus Baby from Five Nights at Freddy's sister location. So this year I'm doing something a little weird. I'm only attending Friday and Sunday. Today's Friday. Reason being is I'm still kind of recovering, from recent stresses, and I don't want to overexert myself with the huge crowds on Saturday, and also, I don't want to overexert. I can't say the word. I don't want to overexert myself with the lack of sleep that usually comes with attending the whole weekend. But, 2 days out of 3 ain't bad, so it's still going to be a fun time. And, we just got here, and now I gotta find where the fuck is registration. I'm done. I am so fucking done. So, as some of you know, I've been fighting with State Farm since the accident to get my fucking money for the scooter. And, despite getting everything in order on my end, they just procrastinated and I still don't have the money. So as of last night, it looked like I couldn't come to Mechacon today. A really sweet friend of mine spotted me the money. They gave me $60, which is more than enough for the weekend, and I had full intent to pay them back with the State Farm money early next week. I get here, put it all on, get here. My friends check into their room. They're just letting me store some stuff here. And I go to get my registration ticket, and my card is declined. And I'm like, what the fuck? It shouldn't be declined, because last night on PayPal, I did an instant transfer. Because PayPal gives you 2 options. You can do a bank transfer, which takes 1 to 2 business days, or you can do a card transfer, which charges a 25-cent service fee, but it's instant. It's like in your account within 30 minutes or less. I did the instant one. I did it straight to the card. I should have had a deposit of $59.75 on my card as of 6:38 p.m. last night. It's not on there. I call Regions. They say they're not showing it. Not even showing it pending, and that it's PayPal's fault. I call PayPal. They say it's gone through. They say that it's been sent to the card, and that it's Region's fault. I walk down the street, like this, fucking Circus Baby walking down Poydras Street, to Region's Bank, in person. Spend 2 hours there, trying to get this shit in order. At some point, PayPal gave me a confirmation number to give the Regions, and the Regions representative tried 3 different methods to figure out what the fuck she's still supposed to do with this confirmation number. Nothing. So, nobody knows where my money is. PayPal says my money's lost. PayPal says it's Region's fault. Region says it's PayPal's fault. So guess who can't buy her fucking pass? I'm just really upset how nothing seems to go my way, and so many people are against me nowadays. It's really, really difficult. I'm gonna go down and roam the halls and try to make the most of this, but I don't know how long I can keep this up. We'll see. Love you guys.
God, look at all the little lovely cosplayers.
Yeah.
They're just the cutest thing.
They're so teeny from up here.
Like Matchbox cars.
Teeny like your penis.
DragonCon, I just get it out there because I'm controlling like up to 50 to 200 people.
Yeah.
For a photo shoot.
That's
Final
crazy.
Fantasy. Yeah, and so this one we only had a few people, and so we didn't have a lot of people to go through, a lot of Final Fantasies to deal with.
Yeah.
And so today I'm like, you know what? Let's get to Kingdom Hearts, and we're like, wait, Sephiroth is in Kingdom Hearts, so I go up there and they're like, the other guys are in Kingdom Hearts, so they pulled them up, and then we just all had a battle royale, and then we had like Hojo paying off Tifa to kill Eren. Oh, so this was my first DragonCon, and I was wearing Vampire D.
Yeah.
And as you see, this stuff is really hard to break. Like, yes, it's not gonna break. So I was wearing heels about this high to keep me taller. This is before I knew about lifts or anything like that. I've got these really nice boots. I actually had taped myself into these boots. Like, it was that bad. Well, I was at DragonCon. You're pretty shit faced. You're wasted. I was walking. I just done my photo shoot, wonderful photo shoot, which is on my card, which I will give you if you like it. So after this photo was taken, that exact photo, you can have that. I walked by a couple Jedis playing with their lightsabers in the hallway, and I said, "My sword's bigger than yours," because it's as long as I am tall with its hilt on. So then I go to scramble away, my heel broke, and it was like slow motion, like, oh no, save the costume. And I'm like, tuck and roll, and I tucked and rolled.
Do a barrel roll. Play it off.
I did a full barrel roll, fell on my back, I'm laying there like, oh my god. And if you see the carpet on that picture, that's the Vulcan carpet. It's got these lines of gold. Part of the gold piece on my hat, which I hand sculpted, snapped off, and then one of the spikes on my pauldron broke at the weld. But so it's gold on gold, and we're like,
That's a get wrecked call.
yes. Yeah, we're like, where is it? We actually found it, but it took us like half an hour to find it. And right after that, I lost my cell phone and I lost my purse also. So we're scrambling everywhere. I'm drunk, Inuyasha's drunk, everybody was drunk, and we're like, we gotta find this stuff. But eventually it all worked out. But yeah, that was when this stuff actually broke. But the hat piece is made out of Fimo clay. So it was, it's now fixed, it's pristine, you'll be seeing it tomorrow. But that was my like wonderful cosplay mishap with D. And then I've had my duct tape pop off.
Yeah.
In the middle of like me wearing it, so I wear duct tape to tape the girls down.
Yeah.
And so it gets really hot, so the glue loosens. So pop, and oh, there was the one time my friend Brad was Jiraiya. He's like, let me rip it off, and I'm like, okay, sure. And he ripped it off right as the glass elevator was coming down. I'm like, oh shit. And he's like there holding it up. It's got the little X where it covers the nipple and everything. It's like, and right then I saw this big gal. She's about 300 pounds on my little girlfriend. I'm like, hell no. I walk over there, I go to pull her off. She falls back on my knee, and I have her extended my knee.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Bang. Done.
And it's got little holes.
Okay. Boom. Even match.
And I call that tool the holiest of holies.
Yes. It makes the holiest of holies. There you go.
Well, so does this one.
You're bad. And the next thing you know, you got it all done up there. It's all perfectly spaced out. You just lined it up where your last one was.
And that is for this wonderful tool. This is called your lock stitching all. This is a tool from the gods. This will make, so my other friend.
Also, real quick, you can use these tools on foam and other materials.
You can,
too.
to make a stitching effect. It's great. This all is the greatest thing ever.
All swelled it in as well.
All spelled it. Well, I said all, yeah.
Giggity.
Giggity. And let me get my phone to time it. So you got time.
There's a murder happening in the hallway.
There's something happening in the hallway?
Yeah, there's a guy strangling a girl. He's like, yeah, she's like wiggling to escape, but
There's murdering happening.
he's strangling her. Yeah, and she looks dead.
messed up here lately. Pretty sure he don't wanna be my baby. Oh, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, he don't love me, but that's okay. 'Cause I love me, I love me, I love me, I love myself anyway. Hey, everything's gonna be alright, everything's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a good, good life. That's what my therapist say. Everything